Central Minnesota Federal Credit Union was started back in the 1930s when a group of parishioners from the local parishes here in Melrose got together and decided that they would like to explore a new concept called credit unions.
They needed an alternative for banking needs in the community. People weren't getting served the way they needed to be served.
Central Minnesota Federal Credit Union is a not-for-profit financial cooperative owned and operated by the members. The common bond of the members is that they live, work, or worship in the communities we serve. The goal is to offer an array of financial services at low or no cost in order to help members achieve their personal financial goals. Our mission is quite simple. We're united to serve members and community. But throughout this rich, nearly 70-year history of the Central Minnesota Federal Credit Union, one thing has remained constant: a strong commitment to serving members, not only financially, but a true commitment to helping out in whatever needs to be done.
One of our members who wanted to do their IRA transaction, but she's not able to get around too much these days, so our member service rep went out to her home to have her sign the paperwork and then come back and did the transaction for her.
A farmer's barn blew down in the middle of winter. The first place he called was us, so off goes our lender to help dig cattle out of the snow.
We've helped tons of people who I know banks won't touch just because they're too small, and the bank would say they're not worth the effort. We're not going to get a return on this loan. We will take a look at that same member and say, hey, what can we do for this person?
Today, the Central Minnesota Federal Credit Union has over 35,000 members and assets rapidly approaching $500 million.
When members come inside the credit union, we try to welcome them as if they were coming into our own homes. We try to greet each member by name as they walk in the door. If we are currently with a member, we constantly say, hello, we'll be with you in just a moment, just to make sure that they are aware that we do recognize that they are in our lobby. Another way that our service is different from what you would expect at a bank is that we are designed to assist the member in any way that we can to meet their needs. They are a member and part owner of our credit union, and we recognize that without them, we would not be here.
Besides working to ensure members' needs are satisfied on a daily basis, employees are also very active in the communities they serve. Whether it be volunteering with local organizations or actively recruiting new members, our employees take the philosophy of full service to the next level. With a rich history of serving its members, a strong commitment to growth, and a vision built on mutual respect, the Central Minnesota Federal Credit Union is well poised to fulfill the needs of the communities it serves.
We've enjoyed very much working with the credit union, and their staff has been excellent. We can't say, anything more. It's just been, we haven't had a problem.
Credit union has been super to work with. I can't say enough. If it wasn't for the credit union, we probably would not be here.
You don't feel intimidated. I haven't felt intimidated talking to any one person at any of the branches in the credit union.
The feeling you get, it's different than working with a bank or the credit union. They're there to help you. It seems they're there to help.
Central Minnesota Federal Credit Union, where every member counts.